Hello guys, welcome to CodeBits. Today we are going to write a simple Java program that will print hello in all possible languages. So what I have done is I have created a text file which contains the hello in all the languages. Let me show it to you. I have saved it in my Windows C folder. I will provide this text file in the description. So what we will do is we will display this hello text file which contains hello in English, then hey Finnish, then namaste in Hindi. It will display the file as it is in our Java program. So for that, what we will do is first we will import the package, that is import java.io. That is IO stands for input output. Then here we will throw exception. Now I am basically coding the Java in Intel IDE. You can use any IDE you want, that is Eclipse or Visual Studio. Then first of all I will import the file class. So I will write file. I will give it name file equal to new file. Now the parameter which the file class will take is the path. So we have to copy the path where our text is there. So though I will copy the path, I will come here, I will paste the path. So basically we need to give one more slash here. Okay. Now the file has been brought in our Java program. Now the next step is we have to read the file. So for the reading the file, I will use buffer reader. Let's give name buffer reader equal to new buffer reader, new file reader, and now we have to give the name to the file name which we have assigned here, that is file, to the file class, that is I will write file. Okay. Now the next thing is the output will be displayed in the form of string. So buffer reader, what buffer reader will do, it will read the text line by line. So for displaying I will take a variable string. Let's assign its name to the variable, that is str. Now for displaying the output I will run a while loop. In while loop we have to provide the condition. Now the condition is that string str, that is str buffer reader dot read line till not equal to null. So our while loop will run till the buffer reader dot read line will not equal to null. Now read line is basically the method. What it will do, it will read each and every line of the text file. So the next thing is we have to display the output line by line, that is system dot out dot println. We will write here string. So it will for the first iteration it will display the first line, and it will for second iteration it will display second line, and so on till the buffer reader dot read line is not equal to null. Okay, so now I will just compile my program and run it. So basically now we are bringing the hello. Now you can type any text and display it in your Java program. Okay, you can see the output. It is the same output as we had seen in our text file, that is hello in English. Okay, so if you have liked the video then do subscribe, and if you have any suggestion then do comment, and any doubts then do ask. Thank you.